Hello, I'm Farvardin Daliri. I'm the organizer of the Townsville Cultural Fest. Also, I have been honored to make these large monuments and statues as representing our shared aspiration as art features and totems and mascots for the Townsville Cultural Fest. As you can see, these art features are the one that we joins all our hearts together. And from Jonathan Thurston to the Aboriginal Elderman ditch player, then you got Slim Dusty, then other side you got this Swaggy sitting there, and then you got the Mother Earth right at the back over there. So what we are trying to do for the Culture Fest 2018 is to make a koala bear as big as that as the festival mascot. And this is what we are excited about, and we are going to do this with your help. And we want to make that art feature a koala bear which is going to be mobile on a trailer mounted to take part in the street parade, to be a central art feature for the festival, as well as to be available to any other event. So imagine this huge koala bear, like any of these vans on wheel, going through the road with another 50 other carnival entries, and that excitement ends up at the Townsville Cultural Fest. And this koala bear is a one life form which every Australian is excited about. From the newly arrived migrants to the mainstream Australians, right through to the dreamtime Aboriginal people of this land, we all in some way relate to koala bear today. So koala bear is a unifying feature for all of us as Australians of today. Please help us to make this possible. It is done with your help, our hands, and the community. Thank you.